Your question is using principle of mathematical induction. Prove that 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 cube dot dot n into 2 raised to power n is equal to n minus 1 into 2 raised to power n plus 1 plus 2. है ना? This is given mathematical statement. Now we have to prove this by this principle of mathematical induction. To write this mathematical induction in this form, Pn certain this right given mathematical statement. So in principle of mathematical induction, we first prove that given statement is true for n is equal to 1. Okay. Then we suppose that given statement is true for m, Pm is true. Then we show that given statement is true for n is equal to m plus 1. If Pm plus 1 is true, then given statement is true for all natural numbers. Okay. So first step we prove this mathematical statement for n is equal to 1. No. So write n is equal to 1. Okay. So when we place 1 in place of n, then in left side of the series, in left side of the identity, we get first term. n is equal to 1 means first term of the series. So your first term is this. Your first term is this. So you get your P1 is equal to 1 into 2. 1 into 2. Okay. Now write n is equal to 1 in right side. Your right side is this. n minus 1 2 raised to power n plus 1 plus 2. So write here 1. So 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 1 0 into 2 raised to power n plus 1 plus 2. So 2 is equal to 0 into 2 raised to power n plus 1 or plus 2. So 2 is equal to 2. 2 is equal to 2. Hence P1 is true. Hence P1 is true. Okay. Now we show that this is true for n is equal to, we suppose that given mathematical statement is true for n is equal to m. The Pm 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 square or plus 3 into 2 cube plus dot dot plus n into 2 raised to power n is equal to m minus 1 into 2 raised to power m plus 1 plus 2. Okay. So this is true. Pm is true. Let Pm is true. Pm is true. Okay. Now we show third step. Now we show that given statement is true for n is equal to m plus 1. Okay. So write n plus 1 in place of m. Okay. Then you get p m plus 1 such that 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 square or plus 3 into 2 cube or plus dot dot. So write m plus 1 in place of m. Okay. So so this so when we replace n by m plus 1, n by in this equation n is replaced by m, ठीक है, and so when you replace n by m plus 1, then you get one more term. So mth term is m 2 raised to power m. This is your mth term. After mth term, your term will be m plus 1. The m plus 1 term, m plus 1 term is m plus 1, 2 raised to power m plus 1. Now write this in right side. So m plus 1 minus 1, 2 raised to power m plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So you get m into 2 raised to power m plus 2 and plus 2. So this is your right side. So now we take left side of the identity and prove by using second statement we prove that this is equal to right side. This is equal to right side. ऐसे बोले जाते होगा सब इसमें चलिए लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ द आइडेंटिटी 1 into 2 plus 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 cube plus dot dot plus m into 2 raised to power m plus 1 into 2 raised to power m plus 1. ठीक है, इसे जो लेफ्ट साइड आपने m plus 1, ठीक है. तो value of 3 sum of a vector is equal to this. देखिए this series is equivalent to this, na? So we can write this in place of this. ठीक है, so write this value, then you get m minus 1 into 2 raised to power m plus 1 with plus 2. ठीक है, this is your one extra term. ठीक है, you know we can substitute value of sum of series up to m term, na? This is your m plus 1 term. So write m plus 1 term, then you get m plus 1 into 2 raised to power m plus 1. Now we simplify. So the in first term and third term. In first and third term, 2 raised to power m plus 1 is common. 2 raised to power m plus 1 is common. So write here m minus 1, ठीक है, plus m plus 1 into 2 raised to power m plus 1 plus 2. तो minus 1 plus 1 cancel, ठीक है, m plus m 2m, तो 2m 2 raised to power m plus 1, ठीक है, और plus 2. Right. So you get m into 2 raised to power m plus 1 plus 1. No. In multiplication on same way forward. This is 2. This is 2. Power of this is 1. This is m plus 1. No? Plus 2. You get m into 2 raised to power m plus 2 plus 2. So this is your right side of pm plus 1. This is your right side of the pm plus 1. Pm plus 1 the right side. So thus pm plus 1 is true. Pm plus 1 is true. Hence pm plus 1 is true. Pm plus 1 is true. If pm plus 1 is true, hence pm plus 1 is true. If pm plus 1 is true, then your given mathematical statement is true for all natural numbers. Hence pm is true for all natural numbers. is true for n belong capital. Copy.